welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something totally different. I'm meal prepping for the week, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to cook for today. I'm about to start. I just came back from work. I went for a 4-hour shift from 5:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So I just got back and I don't want to waste my day, so I want to cook before I take a good sleep because I've slept for just 4 hours. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to prepare banku and okra stew, and then I'm going to prepare regular tomato stew, and then I cook rice on the side. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. So I'm yet to slice my okra, cut my onions, prep my meat. I'm defrosting my tilapia in the microwave, and then I have mushrooms as well. So I'm about to do all that. I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm going to do that behind the camera, and then after that we go on to making our food. Okay?
In a war I started, disregarding all the butterflies I felt up in my stomach. Knew the time was coming for me to find my peace of mind. Don't let the soul leave. I proceed to take a leap of faith.
So I still have my tilapia defrosting, so I'm going to steam my meat, and then once it's done or halfway cooked, I'm going to add the tilapia. So I'm going to season it. Have my seasons over here.
We have onion powder,
Ginger powder, I have garlic powder. Ooh. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it.
In this moment, and my mind been like the ocean. You've been floating while I focus on just trying to swim away. A new escape is what I long for. A lost boy in the out world, just trying to march forward. Soldier hearted in a war I started.
Hey guys, so the beef is already steaming. My tilapia is defrosted. I've divided them into two to have 4 pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season with salt and black pepper, and then put it in the oven. I'm already preheating my oven because I don't want it to tear apart, so I can't add it to the beef that is steaming on fire. I'll just cook it in the oven and then drop it in the okra stew when it's almost ready. Yes.
This love is mutual.
Try so hard to find my peace of mind. If loving you's a crime, I think I'm.
So what I did with this is I added the okra to the beef. It's already semi-cooked. So I added the okra and the mushrooms so that it will cook together, and then now we start with our stew. Okay guys, so as we are waiting for the meat to be done, I'm going to prepare my banku. It's banku and maize and cassava mixed flour. I think this is made in Ghana. Yeah, it's just $8. I don't have a measuring cup, and I don't think I have to measure it. Nobody measures banku. I wanted to use everything, but I don't think I should. I don't know if it's going to spoil or not. I'm just going to make like half of it, and it's just me. Oh, that's okay. That should be okay. So I still have some extra slips.
on just trying to swim away. A new escape is what I long for. A lost boy in the out world, just trying to march forward. Soldier heart.
I want to mix this with water.
All the butterflies I felt up in my stomach. Knew the time was coming for me to find my peace of mind. Don't let the soul leave.
I still have some of the flour left, so if I feel it becomes too watery, I'll just mix a little more flour. I don't want it to be I don't want my banku hard, not too soft as well, like in between.
The pigeon coop. To tell the truth, I don't know if this love is mutual.
Try so hard to find my.
We'll then add some salt. Salt tastes. Just gonna. That's a little too much. Feel this is okay. I think the salt is too much. I'm gonna add some flour. I put too much salt. I actually like salt a lot. No, it's okay. We save some for the rainy day. Okay, guys. I said I was going to do a tomato stew and rice, but after this banku and okra stew, I don't think I can do that anymore. I'm so exhausted. I've only slept for 4 hours this night and I need to rest. And I have an assignment which is due today at 11:59. So we're just going to do the banku and okra stew today, and tomorrow we're going to do the tomato stew. So we'll continue tomorrow, but still I'm going to show you how I'm making my okra stew. Okay, I'm too tired. So guys, I'm starting my okra stew. Two of the burners don't work, this one and that one, they don't work, so just the two small ones are the ones that work. The banku is cooking. I'm just too tired to keep stirring, so I'm just leaving it on. So I have my oil, my palm oil and my onions frying, and I have my onion and peppers blended with a thumb of ginger, and the tilapia is also kind of grilled. My fire alarm just went off, so I had to take it out because I didn't want the fire service to come here and then charge me. So I don't think it's done, but I don't want the fire alarm to ring again, so I'm just taking it out. And this is the okra, beef, and then the mushrooms. Now my stew is cooked. I added a little bit of Maggi. I can't stir it because of the fish. It's still tearing apart. I'm going to leave this on for about 2 to 3 minutes because the okra was well cooked, the stew was well done, so there's no need for me to leave it on for long. If you leave it on for long, it's going to cut. Also, I'm not going to cover it because once you cover it, it's going to be less slimy, like it's going to cut a bit. So yeah, we're done with it. I'm too tired to keep stirring the banku, so I just left it on. I'm about to roll that and then I'm done. Hi guys, so I'm too tired and I can feel that tomorrow I'm not going to be able to do the tomato stew, so I'm just going to end the video today. I can't cook again, like I'm too stressed. So I have my food here. I don't have a big bowl, so but the okra is still slimy, you know, so you can use my skills. You don't cover it, you don't You cook the okra separate. You can cook it with the meat like I did, and then you cook the stew. Once it's done, I didn't add any tomatoes to the stew. Once it's done, you pour the okra in it, then you leave it on for like a couple of minutes. That's it, you know. If you do it like that, the okra will become slimy. Thank you for watching. See you same time next week. Bye.